Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to download apps on TCL Roku TV. Let's go. First way, use virtual remote control. Open Settings, Network. Your TCL TV and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Roku app, Apps on Roku, Store, select App, or use Search. Find and select App, Add. Second way, open Streaming Store or Search. Select App, Add App. Done. That's it. Now you know how to download apps on TCL Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.